we're running a unit that has roads everywhere, and so it's super easy access. Me and Zach both have spotting scopes, so we've probably seen 30 deer, just all does, maybe one little buck this morning. But we're just gonna sit here in glass, and we're at a pretty good spot where we can see lots of stuff. We're gonna sit here in glass until we find a big one, so stay tuned. I had to run back to town and drop Rob off, and I was making my way to Zach and all of them. All of a sudden, a buck runs across the road, but he was a nice 2x3, kind of wide. I just called Zach. They're gonna book it up to me, and then we're gonna go try and get on this buck. But it'd be sweet to get on a film. But they should be coming up this road any second. Then we'll go get a buck. So stay tuned. You dropped him! You freaking dropped him! You freaking dropped him! Derek, let's go! Oh, you dropped him!
Be right.
How do you feel?
Awesome.
Yes.
I don't think
smoked a buck.
I thought you'd
call Rob.
Oh. Do you want to get a buck?
Dude, let's go.
Well, my hunt's over.
I know.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Hey,
That was the coolest
all right.
I've ever seen.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, let's see it.
All right, well, buck down. We'll catch you when we get down there to him.
Cool. I understand that we're excited, so no haters, but how can you not get excited? What the heck just happened?
I can't pass this buck here.
No! I haven't seen you shoot one in like 5
And
or
I
6
went with
years.
Zach. I wasn't going front shoulder on him. I was going behind and up. Right where I aimed.
I'm really glad you hit him there. Listen, everybody, high lung shot is the deal. Drops them in their tracks.
This is going to be really fun. Watch your back. Oh boy. Oh boy, this is fun.
No complaints at all on that dude.
No,
Yeah, he's a good one.
it's a great buck out here. Three on both.
Oh yeah. Little brow tines going.
Oh, that's a sick buck.
Yeah, he's a good looking deer.
That's a sick buck. Oh, nice.
Dude, what the
Nice
heck?
buck, Derek.
Oh, that's a good one for sure.
Look at this.
I'm totally happy with him.
Come here. That's awesome. That's a great buck.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this film. We're gonna get him taken care of and get back to the truck, which is right on the other side of this hill. So we're gonna take him back to Rob's and go crack a cold drink a Mountain Dew. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching.